G'day YouTube. Today I'm going to be trying to get this excavator going. It's a FH150 Fiat Hitachi. So it's been parked there for a few years and I picked it up. So I hope to get it going again. But there are a few issues, as you'll see soon. First of all, these valves are missing. So I've been at this machine before when I looked at it first, and picked up these two solenoid valves. So hopefully they'll block the hole in that valve chest and we'll be able to get it started. So there are a lot of issues with it, but if I can close them out one by one, won't be too bad then. So that's good. It's first start now. This is going in, so that's a good sign. I brought my spanners now so I can tighten it up. Hope it'll block the gap, you know. So I must check it for all the fluids. I have a feeling that there's nothing in it, but I must give it a look. So that's the hydraulic tank. Around here then, we'll go up, I suppose, is the engine, and I'm feeling this engine has a few problems. You can see so that oil is really scummy. So this engine is banjaxed. I'm hoping to get it started. Oil, water, so there's no water in it either. Let's get some water for it and go from there then. So let's get started. So I'm going to take the cap off the hydraulic tank and just check it, the levels. Brought fluid with me as well, so I can top up the tank. So it'll be easier to top up with the covers off it. So I'm recording this on my phone, so the audio and I suppose it wouldn't be the best, and a bit shaky, so apologies for that. I do plan on getting a GoPro or something to that effect, so I can record it a bit better. This tank is fairly well drained. Sunlight's off, it drains itself. There's a long way to go for that sensor there, for the low sensor light. So I brought 2 drums of oil with me. Hopefully that's enough just to put it on the low level. So I'll have at that now. I've dumped 1 drum of oil into already. It's on the second one. I'm putting oil in before hydraulic oil. I don't want to run the pipes or the pumps when they're dry, because of damage. So here it goes. So that's 40 litres gone in. It's just above there's a plate on the bottom. I just got it above that. It's another 2 or 3 away from that low level sensor. It'll be enough to get it the engine turning, so I'll be happy enough with that. Until I come back, I'll probably end up coming back again with more oil to get it started, but this is a good start to get me going. So this will be good for checking for leaks as well, additional leaks. I know that there are a few pipes in there that are off, but hopefully they only actuate when, we'll say, I don't know, for a quick hitch or something, because I think it looks like I have an aftermarket. Just the hoses, so I'll have to kill the engine if it starts leaking straight away. But I'd say I'm a long way off getting the engine started, but I might be out each problem as they arise. So just getting all the fluids right first. I have batteries, so hopefully it won't be too bad to start. Oh, they're not too bad, I'd say. Right. Next thing, oil, water. So I have a drum of water. I think I might change the oil in it because of the scum in it. I'll just drop it into dirty oil into one of these drums here, and should be good to try and pick up the batteries and then try and start it. So that's my diesel. Brought some tractor batteries as well. We're going to try the other batteries first. This is engine oil. And the other one is water. So I've only two hands, so I'm just going to pick up the two of these. Back at it again. So I'm after throwing some water in, but a few drips on the red on the cores there. I don't know if it's from the overspill or is there a leak, but there's some water in it to get it started. That's the main thing.